After a very difficult year, and now with lots of opportunities as our economy re-establishes itself and we start to grow, coaching is becoming the number one thing and the biggest issue for business leaders. And as John Whitmore says, coaching is unlocking person's potential to maximize their growth. And really, we can only get our businesses to grow if we can grow our people. So join us for our webinar on next Monday at 3 to 5 p.m, where we're going to talk about how we can maximize your growth potential as a coach. And coaching is all about the types of ways you empower your team to make the decisions they need to make to help you get where you want to go and the direction that you give them. Not about what you do, but it's about what they do on the field or in your business that makes the difference. So we're going to talk to you about energy vampires, poor performance, the right sort of decisions that you make, key traits and insights on leadership and where leadership's going based on research coming from Harvard Business Review, feedback from you and other local business people as to what works for you. And we're going to put that all together over 2.5 hours through our webinar. Please come and join us. Register online or ring Fiona at our office, Business DNA, on 02 6884 5888. Thank you.